Welcome back to part 2 of rating strangers' handwriting on the internet. We're going to be using posts from the Learn Arabic community on Reddit. This is Arabic with Amina, your online Arabic teacher. Same as our previous video, the rating score is going to be based on clarity, how clear is the handwriting, form, are the letters formed properly, are words put together properly, and 3, consistency. Is the handwriting consistent from start to end? 4, alignment and spacing. Does he write on the line? Is there enough space between the words? Is there enough space between letters? And finally, uniqueness or personality or creativity. How does this handwriting look? So let's get on to it.
Handwriting practice. Speak, please. Zooming in. الحوار الثاني. الطالب الأول: ماذا سنعمل بعد الدراسة؟ الطالب الثاني: أنا أدرس الطب في كلية الطب. سأعمل طبيبا إن شاء الله. الطالب الثالث: أنا أدرس الصيدلة في كلية الصيدلة. سأعمل صيدليا إن شاء الله. الطالب الرابع: أنا أدرس التمريض في كلية التمريض. سأعمل ممرضا إن شاء الله. الطالب الخامس: أنا أدرس الهندسة في كلية الهندسة. سأعمل مهندسا إن شاء الله. الطالب السادس: أنا أدرس الطيران في كلية الطيران. سأعمل طيارا إن شاء الله. This is supposed to be a conversation where you have 5 students saying what they are studying and then what they will become. It's clear. I did not have any difficulty in reading any of the words. The form is good. All letters are clear, dots are perfect, spacing, it's consistent from start to end. The spacing between the words is good, alignment is okay. My comment would be that the handwriting is quite large, which is totally expected if you're learning and starting out Arabic. And then as you get a hang of it, the handwriting will become smaller to fit in the lines, so you won't have to leave one line between each. As for personality, it seems like a beginner's handwriting. I don't really see any personality or uniqueness in it. It's as if someone is still learning, so they're just copying how the letters are written. So I don't see that. And overall, I would give this handwriting a 4 out of 5. Good job. Opening another post. My handwriting. I'm not a professional calligrapher. I can see from now this handwriting is just beautiful. I can't even write like that. Even though the person said they're not a calligrapher, it looks like calligraphy to me, and they have a really good job. So let's read it. إن الحب الذي يكتفي بإعطاك جرعة مركزة من السعادة ليس حبا على الإطلاق، إنه مجرد فيلم هزلي. Super clear to read. Form is great. I know it looks slanted, the handwriting, but that's a way of writing calligraphy. It is consistent from start to end. Spacing and alignment is good, even though this person's not writing on lines. And the uniqueness and creativity is amazing. So this handwriting is a 5 out of 5 for sure. It is so beautiful. I mean, I can't even write like that. My handwriting is nowhere like that. This person uploaded other pictures of their handwriting, and we are going to base the rating on this one only. But we can have a look at the other text that he wrote or she wrote, I don't know. This is also very beautiful. I mean, wow, this person has amazing handwriting. These are just random words. I think the person is trying out different writing styles, and good for them. It's an art, to be honest. The Arabic handwriting can be an art. There's calligraphy and so many beautiful things. These are actually verses from a poem, and it's a famous poem. So I want to read it to you guys. صوت صفير البلبل هيج قلب الثمل الماء وزهر معا مع زهر اللحظ المقلي وأنت يا سيد لي وسيدي ومولى لي فكم تيمني غزيل عقيق لي. It has a very nice tune to it. It rhymes and makes like a musical sound when the whole poem is read. The handwriting is beautiful and the poem is also beautiful. So let's check out another one now. How's my handwriting? I'm learning Palestinian Arabic. Let's zoom in on the picture. تمرين 2. شو it's supposed to say شو أخبارك with a خا, the dot's missing. ماشي. كيف خالك? I don't know if it's supposed to be خالك as in your uncle or حالك as in how are you. But alhamdulillah, there's not supposed to be a wow there. It's a dhamma actually. بدي حليب وخبز لو سمحت. السكر جنب القهوة تمام. وين انتي؟ في الشغل. شو رايك؟ والله مش أعرف. بدك شي تاني؟ شكرا مع السلامة الله يسلمك. أمي عندها كلب. ليش ابنك كبير؟ خالي عنده أكل زاكي في البيت. في هون سلطة وسلطة. سلطة زاكية؟ لا ما فيش. إيش في هون؟ بس فلافل. This handwriting is pretty clear. I mean, I could get through it. I could read it. The form needs improved. The letters, there are letters that need improved. For example, the letter meme is like written as if a fat without a dot, whereas it should be written differently. The line comes to the middle of the circle of the meme and not at the bottom of it. And some letters cross the line of the notebook, like that aren't supposed to, like the word la and stuff. So the form needs some improvement. Consistency is there, it's the same from start to end. It's not like going from small to big to small and whatever. Spacing and alignment. The spacing between words is fine, and I already talked about some letters needing improvement. For uniqueness, there's nothing quite unique about it. It does seem like someone's personal handwriting, but it's still quite in the beginner stage. So when you're in the beginner stage of learning a language, the handwriting in the beginning is just going to be a little bit messy and stuff until you get a hang of it, and then you start to develop your own style. And I feel like this person hasn't developed their style yet, but this person still did a really good job. It's not easy to learn a new language. So my overall rating would be 3 out of 5. Of course, there are mistakes and stuff in here, but that's not what we're rating. We're just trying to rate the handwriting. Let's see this post. This post says that the paragraph is from ChatGPT. So, المجالات والنطاقات الرياضية تلعب دورا حاسما في تحليل الدوال. المجال هو مجموعة جميع القيم الممكنة للمدخلات لدالة، بينما النطاق هو مجموعة جميع القيم المقابلة للمخرجات. على سبيل المثال، إذا كان لدينا دالة f(x equals squared x) فإن مجالها سيكون مجموعة جميع الأعداد الحقيقية، والنطاق سيكون كل الأعداد غير السالبة. هذه المفاهيم أساسية الفهم سلوك الدوال الرياضية. This paragraph is talking about mathematics. It's explaining a mathematics concept. So if you don't understand the words in this paragraph, I don't blame you. It's advanced math. This handwriting is pretty clear, and my first impression on it is it actually looks a lot like my handwriting, in my opinion. The form is great. The letters are fine, and just one note is that there are some dots missing in this word. The yeah dots are missing. It's consistent from start to end. Spacing and alignment is perfect. Uniqueness and personality wise, I do see a personality. This isn't a total beginner's handwriting, and this has evolved to become this person's handwriting, and I think it's very nice. As I said, it looks quite similar to my own handwriting. Based on all of that, I would rate this handwriting a 5 out of 5.
If you guys enjoyed this video, then hit that like button, let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more Arabic videos. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.